resources. Foucault conducted a concept analysis of comfort, examined literature from several disciplines, which included nursing and psychology, medicine, ergonomics, and English. She defined specific terms that needed clarification, which led to her theory of comfort. Henry Murray's theory of human press was used to apply to her theory and develop the framework. It, his theory was concerned about human needs in response to stressful situations. Then there were three types of comfort: relief, ease, and transcendence, and four contexts of holistic human experience. In different aspects of therapeutic contexts were introduced. Relief was synthesized from the work of Orlando, who stated that nurses relieve the needs expressed by patients. Ease was a derivative of the work of Henderson, who described 13 basic functions of humans imperative for homeostasis. And then transcendence was derived from Patterson and Durad, who believed that individuals could rise above their difficulties with the help of nurses.